We gather, Lord, on this sacred day to bow our heads and humbly pray. Ashes remind us we are but dust. In your great mercy we place our trust. Ash Wednesday is a call to begin again, to leave behind our guilt and pain. With repentant hearts we seek your face, to walk anew within your grace. Forgive the wrongs we've tried to hide, the silence